Welcome back to another basic boxing lessons. Today we are going to be breaking down the 1 forward, 1 forward, 2 1 back. And like always, the fundamentals are the most important thing. All the fancy things, they polish everything like that comes after. Foundation first. Foundation no good, you're gonna get your cheek slapped. Not in a good way either. So get into your fighting positions. And remember, hands just below eye socket right there. Elbows tucked, but not tucked like this, like that. Foot distance, good, right? You don't want to be like this, right? No. We ain't dangling nothing on the pavement. No. And you don't want to be so close, that you start having high pitched sounds in the voice. Nah, you don't want that either. So find a good thing right here. And the easiest way to find the good distance is like this. Rock back and forth. Do you feel stable? The answer should be a yes. And if it's yes, you're good. So hands up. Right? You're gonna start with the one or the jab. When you throw the one out right here, you're gonna step simultaneously at the same time. So you're here. And you see how my back leg, because the back leg retarded, it will just follow the front leg without a doubt. Right? Right. So we do it again. So you're here. Pop. Boom. And you see how I retract this? My foot retracts at the same time. So again. Boom. Right there. And then right into the second one. Boom. Right? And you see how my foot is retracting, but it's not retracting all the way so I'm off of balance. It's retracting in a good neutral state. And that's what y'all want. All right? Everything perfect. So you're here. Boom. Boom. What do we do next? Well, we throw the cross because your jab, there's a good chance that your opponent is going to step forward to you. Or if your opponent doesn't step forward to you, you made the distance enough to counter him with the two. So you're here, boom, right? And you see how I rotate? You see how it's almost one element, right? Not LGBTQ plus 562 elements. No, one right element. Boom. You see? And then retract, right? Boom, boom. It's all one instrument. So you're here, boom. So let's rewind that now. So you're here. You go 1, 1, 2. Right? You get that? And now after the 2, you're back here. This foot is the leader now. This foot is the retarded one that will follow. So you boom. You see that? So right after the 2, retract. When this leader one or the jab goes out, you step back the same time. Retract, suck it in. Right? So let's play it all over again from the beginning. So you're here. 1, 1, 2, 1. Right? And just a practice, because without consistency, it doesn't matter how talented you are or how talented you may think you are. Without consistently practicing your skill, there's going to be somebody that's just going to molest you because they are more dedicated than you are. So practice, practice, practice. And most important thing, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.